Welcome back, everybody. So today we're taking a look at a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe AMG 53. It's a 3.0 liter i6 engine, all-wheel drive. I'm gonna pull up the Carfax for you guys really fast. We're gonna take a look at it and then we're gonna do a walkthrough of the car. So right here we have a 2021, you see it. There's accident reported, there's moderate damage on there. We're gonna go down and check out where the damage was. So right here you see that the damage was on the front end of the car. So we're just gonna go ahead and do an extensive overview and look of that damage and overall of the car. So here we go. We can take a look at the tires. Tires are really good. They got good tread. So off rip right here, you can see there's some discoloration here on the bumper. There's some more scratches here on the bottom. Right here, you see you have some stuff like that right there. Another paint chip. That one looks like it could get buffed out. This is like a paint chip. Here you can see a little bit more. Okay, so that's the front end. You can see the tire here looks good. Right here on the badge, it's actually the T is missing right there. There's some scratches here that I can see. This is also some discoloration. It's like paint chip. The rim right here, you got curb rash. The tires here, I don't know if you can see, we might need a little bit more of a light. The tires here are, they got maybe like 2,000-3,000 miles more, but you have to change those. Here's the back badge, little chip right here on the wing, a little chip right here. Everything else seems good. Right there. The T is missing here as well. So some curb rash here on the rim. I don't know if you can, let me focus on that. There you go. Hella curb rash right here too. This is stuff right there. I'm gonna go ahead and step into the car. So here you have the door panel, here you have the floor. I'm gonna go ahead and bring up the lighting a little bit. Sorry. You can see the other door. Back seat. There's a trunk. Okay, so we have a spare. Got all the OEM parts right there. So you got 2 USB-C ports, and you have an outlet in the back. And it pops out, okay. You have the cup holder on the seats. Here's the door panel. Door panel looks good. Let's look at the passenger. Door panel. Here's the seat. OEM book. Cup holder, strap pad, everything there. Alright, that's great. So the interior's a little cleaner than the car. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. Alright, so right here we got 51,000 miles. The Navi's responsive. It's got performance, let's see performance. Alright, so we have different modes. We have climb mode we have high RPM, our G-force, see the engine, okay. Dynamic select. Alright, cool, so that's that. I don't know what this is, okay. Alright, so everything seems to work out. AC is blowing cold actually, so that's really good. Everything else in the car looks good. The interior looks good. We have all our little modes, traction control off. This actually is to lift the car and drop it. So I'm gonna drop it. This has an exhaust button. Okay, so it makes the exhaust louder. That's nice. This doesn't really tell me what it's for, but let's just make sure that the seats are working. Seat warmers as well, seat coolers, that's nice. Everything's working, that's perfect. Here's the start button. And then right here we have the lights. The lights turn on. You have the parking brake that you can release and pull. This is the light for the dash. Okay, that's good. This back tire might need a little tender loving care. So the front tires are new. Back tires just might need to be replaced, but there you go. 2021 Mercedes-Benz.